All right. Whoa. Hopefully, you want this? Girl dog. Here. There. Little jerky at the first of this. Hopefully, this will be a productive day. As soon as she eats my donuts and a bone in her nose. Oh my. But the reason this may be a productive day, well, she got what she wanted and she left. But hopefully I'm done with that mess today. I only have the horn to figure out on this. The oil is brand new and fresh as of this morning. I'm charging up a battery. I do have a repair to make on the air box. I'll get to that directly. Been charging the battery very slowly. Not quite ready yet. Was at 8 volts. There's my safety fused connectors that fit into the right there. So right now I just have it so it can be charged. Alligator clips. But hopefully I'll get the horn fixed, corrected, working, whatever. Fix the battery box, the air cleaner box. And then it would only need gasoline. Everything else works. All been wrung out. Oh boy. So after a few donuts, maybe this will be charged and ready to go. We'll see. Hopefully there's an update video later. So there it is for right now this morning. Whew. A little bit of work. A little bit of work. But it's pretty close. Pretty close. So check back later. Hopefully it'll be running. I was going to say the bike is back in the shop. Well, I'll save that for the next one. There you go. Thank you.